Hello there, welcome back. Our spotlight figure this time not only influences trends but also stands as a champion of body positivity. Discover the lifestyle of this beautiful person and connect with them on a deeper level by checking this out. This captivating individual believes that all body types are beautiful and deserving of acceptance. Shower some love of their photos and videos by hitting the like button. And here's an important note, express your support for us by subscribing to this channel. Share your thoughts about this inspiring person. Don't hesitate to let us know what you think. Until next time.